Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Motorists may want to visit the pumps this evening as for the second straight week, all categories of fuel will increase. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will again sell for 25 cents more. Diesel will increase by $3.06, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $3.46. The price of kerosene will sell for $2.52 more. 25 cents will be added to the cost of propane and 75 cents to butane. Each petroleum marketing company will add their own markup. Kremi says its combined heat and power plant is 80% complete. The $2 million facility, which was to be completed by the end of last year, met multiple setbacks due to shipping and technical delays. General Manager of Kremi, Ryan Peralta, says the facility will help the company keep up with demands.
We have the key flavors, the key items, but we actually struggle to deliver the full range of items during the key period, which is mainly Christmas and to a lesser extent Independence Time. So with working on us building out our capital base, building out our ability to produce, we will be able to deliver on a wider range of products.
The CHP unit should increase efficiency. Kremi will also build out more cold storage and blast freezing capabilities.
A couple of things. It will increase our finished goods storage space from 260 pallet spaces to 760 pallet spaces. And it will be able to accommodate all of our frozen storage needs. Right now, we're actually having to store off-site when it comes to frozen items. It will more than double our blast freezing capacity, which is a current bottleneck in the production flow. We'll be able to distribute goods from a more spacious facility. It will free up as well our packaging floor space. Our packaging floor space.
Kremi adds that its acquisition of cone manufacturer Cone has yielded millions in additional sales. Cone was purchased for $45 million. The Federal Reserve's war on inflation has driven up credit card rates to the highest level on record. According to bankrate.com, the average credit card annual percentage rate climbed to 19.04% as of November 9. That's the highest since the database began in 1985. It beats the previous record of 19% set in July 1991. The national average APR for credit cards has climbed by 2.74 percentage points so far this year. That's the biggest increase in a single year on record. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.55. $115.25 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $177.75 for the pound, while it's costing an average $156.98 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 1,997 points today, while the junior market index rose by 9 points. Leading the winners, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% CR shares, Iron Rock Insurance, KLE Group, and General Accident Insurance Company. Leading the decliners, Margaritaville Turks, 138 Student Living Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, MFS Capital Partners, and Productive Business Solutions 9.25% cumulative US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.